So you can see this is the current iteration of the garage sensor. The distance location is captured by this little component here, and the display is then on the LED here. Now these LEDs here give you an idea of the distance you are away from the wall. So the red indicates you're too far or too close, and the yellows means a little bit closer, and the optimal is the white one in the middle there. Now, the problem is that I found is that this daughter board that I created with the LEDs requires soldering and LEDs, and is a bit cumbersome, sits on top and doesn't particularly work well. So what I've decided to do is basically replace that with a much simpler arrangement here. So let's move this over to the side here, show you what I've replaced it with. So what I've gone with is I've gone with a shield or a daughter board with 40 LEDs on it. That simply plugs into the Arduino controller, as you see there. So really, really easy to use, and it's going to replace those LEDs. So to give you an idea, what I've done is I've uploaded the test program to the environment. So you'll see here when it boots up the sort of displays that it can produce, and that's going to give me far more flexibility when it comes to using that in replacement to the LEDs I have in the distance environment. So just a quick idea, quick overview of the changes I'm going to make there. So get rid of that old daughter board with just the 5 LEDs and move to this option here with 40 LEDs with a lot more color, a lot more opportunity to communicate information in that respect.